Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Thanks very much for subscribing my YouTube channel and also my Telegram channel. Keep do refer to your friends for helping me to grow this on a big. This video is created for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investment. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. So Nifty on a daily chart, as I said, so whatever the plus is, go ahead with selling. So that's why on yesterday's recommendation I said like it might touch up to this 9200 level and then start initiating this 9200 PE, and the same thing happened. It went up to 9160 and from there it started dropping, and yesterday's recommendation gave a profit of 108 in Bank Nifty alone. You can just see the open is 133 and the low is 102 and high made is 241, so which clearly indicates it was commendable level throughout the day. And here you can see this 9100 first act as a support and then it gave its support and then it acted as a resistance during the mid of the day, and then after which it also resisted from further going up, and then when it came down, this 9100 level is now acting as a major support for Nifty, which is clearly evident from the option chain data as well. If you can see 31 lakh contract is at 9000 levels PE, so which will act as a major support, and on the upper side these two guys will act as a major resistance, 22 lakh at 9100 and then 30 lakh at 9200. so Nifty for next 2 days it will be between 9000 to 9100 or 9200 levels. Whenever you see 9100 or 9200 levels, go ahead with the put option. So that's how the recommendation is going to be. And let us have a small look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, it was the first range bound between 17,650 to 17,500, where it took support from 17,500, and then during the second of this 17,500 is acting as a resistance. So this will be the crucial level for Bank Nifty as well for tomorrow. So if you see the option chain data of Bank Nifty, 17,000 is having a major resistance over here. So 17,500 will try to push the Bank Nifty down, whereas it will give us a support as well, but on the call option side it is more aggressive and it will try to push the Bank Nifty further down. So what you're gonna expect tomorrow? On a daily chart you see it is trying to go up and then pushing it down, trying to go up, pushing it down. So this is what is happening with the Bank Nifty, and then with Nifty also it's the same story, like it's having a opening here and then shedding all the points, and it's a kind of bearish engulfing, but there is no green candle, but it's bearish engulfing. So tomorrow I would suggest to go ahead with a put option only, and then if you see SGX is somewhat flat or neutral, it will again come in the same range of 9100 and then it will start going down is my expectation for tomorrow, and the same thing will reflect for day after tomorrow as well. It's going to be like a seller market for tomorrow and after tomorrow. Don't hold on the buy side, so because the premium will erode faster, so don't hold on the buy side. What is there for tomorrow? So tomorrow my expectation will be Nifty to open somewhere between 9100 to 9200. The better option will be go ahead with 9100 put option with a kind of very good stop loss, and which will give you a maximum benefit. And with Bank Nifty, which is little different, I am going with the current at the money put option, which is 17,400, because I am not so much bullish on Bank Nifty. So opening might be flat and then it might shed its kind of gains and it might go down. That's what my expectation is. So I am planning to go ahead with 17,000 put option from Bank Nifty. So let me conclude on Nifty. I will go ahead with 9,100 put option, considering kind of positive opening in the morning, and then it will try to shed the gains during the second half or through the mid of the day. So 9100 put option from Nifty, and then 17,400. So Bank Nifty I would expect like it will start shedding the points on the opening itself. So from the Bank Nifty side it will be 17,400 put option. How to do and how to pick up levels like this, like how you can guesstimate these kind of highs from where it will take a reverse and so on. So to trade like a pro, get ready for the upcoming RK share markets. Trade like a pro. It's nothing but the TLP program. Trade like a pro, and you will pick your own kind of levels and you will do consistent trades in your career. So those who are interested, please contact me on my mobile number and also the Telegram link and my email ID given below in the description. All the very best and see you tomorrow. Thanks very much. Bye.